Assalamualaikum friends, hello everyone. Once again, welcome to back our channel, Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet winter scarf designs ideas collection. Beautiful scarf, beautiful winter scarf, colorful, amazing scarf, very amazing colorful crochet scarf designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are new designs brought to channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care, love.